Hello everyone. This lesson addresses the competency determine the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers in which the difference between consecutive terms is constant, meaning to say there is a common difference represented by letter T. So the terms in a sequence are A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and so on. This means that the difference between A1 and A2 is the same difference between A2 and A3, and between A3 and A4, between A4 and A5, and so on. So for example, we have this arithmetic sequence. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The difference between 5 and 10 is 5. Between 10 and 15 is 5. Between 15 and 20 is also 5, and so on. So for the second example here, the difference between 30 and 26 is -4. Between 26 and 22, that's -4 also, and so on. And for example number 3, the difference between -11 and -8 is 3. Between -8 and -5 is also 3, and so on. Example number 1. Give the 8th term of the arithmetic sequence. 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and so on. So the first thing we're going to do is find the common difference. So how do we do that? We just pick any term. For example, we pick 8, then minus its preceding term, that's 3. Or if we pick 11 minus its preceding term, so 11 minus 8, that is still 3. So the common difference is 3. This means to find the next term, we are just going to add 3 to 17. So if this is the 5th term here, so plus 3, it's 20, that's the 6th term. Then plus 3 again, that's 23, that's the 7th term. And then plus 3 again, so that's 26, that's the 8th term. Now how about if you're asked to find the 11th term? So we know that the common difference here is 3, so we just add 3 to 17, that's 20, plus 3, 23, plus 3, 26, plus 3, 29, plus 3, 32, and plus 3, 35. Now for future use, we are going to devise a pattern how to find the nth term without listing down the terms. So we start from the first term. Okay. The next term is obtained by adding 3 as the common difference, and from 5, then next to 8 to 11 until we get 35, we actually added 3 10 times. So that means 3 times 10. So our a sub 1 is 5, and then plus 3 times 10, which is 30, that is equal to 35. Okay, now how about if you are asked to find the 31st term? So we really need to devise a pattern or a way how to find the 31st term without doing the listing of all the terms. So again, from this idea here, we start from the first term. Okay, then we add 3, this time 30 times. Why 30 times? Because we are asked to find the 31st term. Here, we are asked to find the 11th term. Okay, we added 3 10 times. So this means, okay, the first term is 5, then 3 times 30 is 90, so that is equal to 95. So this means that to find the nth term, we are going to start with the first term, then we add the common difference n minus 1 times. Again, here we observe that to find the 11th term, we added 3, the common difference, 10 times. Here, we are asked to find the 31st term, we added 3, 30 times. So that means n minus 1 times. So this is our formula. Example number 3. Find the 32nd term of the sequence. Negative 3, 5, 13, 21, 29, and so on. Now here we will just use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Because if we are going to use the listing method, our list is going to be very long. So what we know here are a sub 1 equals negative 3 and our n is 32. Now, how do we find the common difference here? So we pick a term and then minus its preceding term. So for example, we pick 5 minus negative 3, that is equal to 8. So our common difference d is equal to 8. Now we can use the formula, okay, a sub 32. So we are trying to find the 32nd term equals a sub 1, which is negative 3, plus n is 32 minus 1 times 8. Now, we simplify furthermore. We have 32 minus 1 is 31 times 8, that's 248. Now here we have negative 3 plus 248 equals 245. So this means the 32nd term is 245. Example number 4. Find the 21st term of the sequence 12, 3, negative 6, negative 15, negative 24, and so on. And this is our formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. And the things we know are a sub 1 equals 12. And then n equals 21. Now to find d, we pick any of these terms here, then minus its preceding term. For example, if we pick 3, so that's 3 minus 12, which is equal to negative 9. Now, substituting these values here to our equation, we have a sub 21 equals 12, our a sub 1, plus 21 minus 1, so that's n minus 1, times common difference is negative 9, so times negative 9. So 21 minus 1 is 20 times negative 9 is negative 180, so that's 12 minus 180. So that gives us the 21st term is negative 168. Now your turn. I prepared here 5 problems, and these are the first 3. Number 1, find the 11th term of the sequence. Negative 14, negative 8, negative 2, 4, 10, and so on. Number 2, find the 21st term of the sequence. 43, 50, 57, 64, 71, and so on. Number 3, find the 17th term of the sequence. 2.5, 6, 9.5, 13, 16.5, and so on. You can pause the video and take your time solving these 3 problems here. And we still have 2 more here. These are challenge questions. Item number 4. The 13th term is 22. The 17th term is 98. Question, find the 19th term. For item number 5, it's also a challenge question. The 15th term is 104. The 12th term is 44. The question is, find the first term. Now I will show you the answer. For number 1, okay, we have here the details of the solution. It's 46. So the 11th term is 46. For item number 2, the 21st term is 183, and we have here the details of our solution. For item number 3, the 17th term is 58.5, and these are the details of our solution. Now, question number 4, it's a challenge question. I want to discuss it with you. So 22 is the 13th term, 98 is the 17th term, and we are going to find the 19th term. Now, the most important thing that we have to use in finding the nth term is the common difference. So we will find the common difference. How? We can just let 22 as a sub 1 and 98 as a sub 5 and the 19th term as a sub 7. So notice here that there are 3 missing terms between 22 and 98. So this means this is a sub 1, a sub 2 here, a sub 3 here, a sub 4 here, and a sub 5 here. So we can use these numbers here to find the common difference. The formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So we have here a sub n becomes a sub 5, then a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now our a sub 1 is 22 and our a sub 5 is 98. So that means 98 equals 22 plus 4d, because this is 5 minus 1 is 4 times d is 4d. Now we subtract 22 from both sides of the equation. So we have 98 minus 22 equals 4d. So 98 minus 22 is 76 equals 4d. Divide both sides by 4. So our common difference is 19. So we already know the common difference. So this means we can already find, okay, the 19th term. Now we are going to find the 19th term. Okay, we are going to use our formula. So a sub 7 equals a sub 1 plus 7 minus 1 times d. So a sub 7 is the one that we do not know. Our a sub 1 is 22, and 7 minus 1 is 6, and our d is 19. So simplifying furthermore, we have 22 plus 114. This is the answer when we multiply 6 by 19, and adding 22 and 114, that gives us 136. For item number 5, so the 15th term is 104, and then the 12th term is 44. Question, find the first term. So here, so the first term is unknown, then the 12th term is 44, the 15th term is 104. So we can also let this 44 to be our a sub 1, and then this 104 to be our a sub 4. So because there are 2 missing terms between 44 and 104. So this is a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4. Now we can use our formula to find the common difference. So a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So we have a sub 4 equals a sub 1 plus 4 minus 1 times d. And our a sub 1 is 44, and our a sub 4 is 104. So we have this, 104 equals 44 plus 3d. Subtracting 44 from both sides, we have 144 minus 44 equals 3d, and 104 minus 44 equals 60 equals 3d. Dividing both sides by 3, d equals 20. So we know our d So it's easy for us to solve for a sub 1 now. So a sub 15 equals a sub 1, okay, plus 15 minus 1 times 20. Now, let's substitute. Okay, 104 as our a sub 15, a sub 1 we do not know, plus 15 minus 1 is 14 times 20 is 280. Now, subtracting 280 from both sides of the equation, so it's 104 minus 280, and a sub 1 equals negative 76. Did you get all the items right? I hope you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.